Can an LLC protect my assets from debt? Have you ever wondered if a limited liability company can actually keep your personal assets safe from debt? This is a common question, especially for those who have experienced bankruptcy or are looking to avoid it in the future. Let's break down how an LLC works and what it means for your financial security. First off, a limited liability company is a business structure that provides personal liability protection for its owners, who are called members. This means that if the business faces debts or legal issues, your personal assets, like your home or savings, are generally safe. The key here is the separation of personal and business assets. When you form an LLC, you create a distinct legal entity. This separation helps ensure that creditors can only pursue the assets owned by the LLC, not your personal belongings. Now let's talk about charging orders. If a creditor tries to go after a member's personal assets, they must first obtain a charging order. This legal tool allows them to receive any distributions that would typically go to the member from the LLC. However, it does not give them direct access to the LLC's assets or the member's personal assets. This provides an additional layer of protection. However, it is important to note that this protection is not absolute. If you personally guarantee a business loan, your personal assets could still be at risk if the business cannot pay its debts. Additionally, if the LLC itself files for bankruptcy, the business assets may be liquidated to pay creditors. But your personal assets remain protected unless you have guaranteed those debts. In the context of bankruptcy, understanding how an LLC operates can help you manage your assets better. If your business is an LLC and it files for bankruptcy, your personal assets are generally safe from business creditors. But if you file for personal bankruptcy, you will need to consider how your business assets are treated. Even after bankruptcy, maintaining an LLC can be beneficial. It continues to keep your personal assets separate from any new business ventures. This ongoing separation can help protect you from future business-related debts. In summary, an LLC can be an effective way to protect your personal assets from business debts. However, it is essential to understand its limitations and how it interacts with bankruptcy. This knowledge can help you make informed decisions about protecting your assets and avoiding debt in the future.